Now you could also use ChatGPT for skill development also. For example, you have to learn some new skill or you need some skill acquisition. Ask for resources and strategies to learn new skills such as coding, cooking, or playing a musical instrument. So for example, I want to learn how to play guitar, right? So I will ask, so this was about, the skill development. So I have to ask for resources and strategies how to learn new skill. So tell me some resources, strategies, and I could also ask ChatGPT for a plan and a plan to do it, right? So we could ask ChatGPT how to play guitar. So it just tell you, set some goals like, are you looking to play for some fun, performing live, or compose your own music? You should gather the necessary equipment. Electric guitar is recommended for beginners or a standard acoustic guitar. Now these are all the steps. I won't just be reading all the steps, then the course would be too long. So these are all the steps you could get from ChatGPT. uh, for resources, it told me that it has there are some online platforms like Justin Guitar, Guitar Tricks, Fender Play. There are some YouTube channels like this. There are some books and there are also some apps. So I could go to these resources and utilize all the resources to learn how to play guitar. So this is how I could learn a new skill. Now, practice methods. Discover effective practice techniques to improve proficiency in various methods. I could ask ChatGPT for practicing. How should I practice? What should be my schedule? And how should I plan anything? Now, apart from skill development and apart from learning skills, some new skills, you could also use ChatGPT in your personal growth, like for self improvement. Get advice on personal growth tips like building confidence, improving communication skills, and developing resilience. So let us say how to improve communication skills. So let us prompt ChatGPT this. So the number one rule of improving communication skill is active listening. You should listen more rather than speaking. So that is one of the greatest method. Now clear and concise expression, non-verbal communication. You should also pay attention to body language, facial expressions, and gestures. Like all this empathy and understanding, assertiveness, adaptability, feedback, and self-reflection. All these points you could just read and go through it, and you could help. Now you could also ask for some book recommendations and other resources for personal development. So let us ask ChatGPT, tell me, I want to start my own business. What all self-help books should I read? Right? If I ask this to ChatGPT, so it will tell me The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, and it will, give me some storyline of the some outline of the book, like what all the book is about, whether I should read it or not, whether it's my interest or not, whether it is needed for me or not. So this is how you could use in your and 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel, Start with Why, The $100 Startup, Good to Great, Crushing It, a lot of books. If I ask, tell me some more books, so it will also give me some more books if I'm not satisfied by these 10 books or I need more books. So see, now the counting here was till 10, now it has begun with 11. So it will deep work, rules for focused success in a distracted world. So it will give me some outline of the book, atomic habits, like that. So this is how you could uh, ask ChatGPT for help and you could use it in your skill development. In the next video, we'll be discussing about career development. So I'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.